Sure-Trac is our premium line that is offered here at Ken Feagin Truck and Trailer in a variety of colors and sizes. Specifically, we're going to look at the 7x14 14K with 2-foot sidewalls today. Standard features on these are adjustable coupler, 2 5/16, 12,000-pound jack, onboard charger, pump, and 25-foot lanyard remote. The trailer we have here today is equipped with the Telescopic Lift System. Advantages: telescopic lift systems are less stress on your dump body and frame and more lifting capacity versus a scissor and dual ram. Sure-Tracs are powder coated. All of them are offered with a spare tire mount, one-piece rigid panel with integrated stake pockets and corner gussets if you want to raise the sidewall height. Side steps on both sides, an underbody storage tray for tools, chains, binders, things of that nature. Two 7,000-pound Lippard braking axles, so you have brakes at all 4 wheels. Combo gate on the rear, spread gate function, barn doors, 2 split doors. D-rings are welded into the sidewalls of your dump body for folks hauling equipment. You have plenty of points to anchor your equipment down to. Now that we have the dump fully lowered, we'll take a look at the ramps stored underneath your dump body. With Sure-Trac, they do offer a wider ramp than most manufacturers do. These are fully adjustable for multiple width machines to load and unload. 5 D-rings welded in the interior of the dump body, 1 at each corner and 1 in the nose in the center. You have your integrated tarp, which is required by most states to cover your load while hauling. Sure-Trac dump trailers are ideal for graders, earth movers, folks hauling skid steers, excavators. You're hauling a lot of rock or, in our area, clay. With a payload capacity of north of 10,000 pounds, the Sure-Trac trailer can handle most anything you throw at it, with the advantage of the telescopic lift system.